Today I'm going to be reviewing MagEnergy copper bracelet and copper ring. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open this up and see what we got. All right, and here is the box. There are instructions on here to get the bracelet set right with the tools that you need to do it. You get the copper ring here too. Very cool. Just real quick, there's the copper ring. You can see it's adjustable. You can just pull it out a little bit. But there you go. There's the ring right there. All right, really nice bracelet. I mean, it's got some weight to it. And all these right here, these are all magnets, 57 magnets built into this. 99.9% pure copper. All right, so to get this on this piece right here, it's gonna flip out. So you'll see this end doesn't have anything. This end has this piece on here. You're gonna lift up on that. It's a little bit hard, and that's gonna open up the clasp to be able to put it on your wrist. And then to get it on, you just wrap it around that other end. So there it is. You can see here, it's too long. So I'm gonna have to take out some links. You want a tighter fit on here. So let's go do that. So I removed this off. I was able to get the pin. You do have to use this tool right here. And it's pretty tough to get them out. Not a big deal, but you'll see this one side where it's a little bit more concave. I don't know if that comes out through the picture. That's where this is gonna go. So I'm gonna take off another 2 links here. So I'm going to take off a total of 3. I'm going to push that through, and that's going to push the pin out of the unit. And then I'm going to unscrew it, take this out, and then you can use the other tool, or you can just grab it with your finger and pull out the links. All right. And I got it on. I probably should take out another link or 2. Feels very comfortable. For centuries, people have claimed that you can enhance your natural energy with copper and magnets. So that's exactly what this is doing. I know a lot of golfers use this, and people get a lot of relief from wearing these. It is an Amazon choice. It's got 4.3 stars, and last month 500 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.